Let me show you what a loan officer's morning looks like today and what it looks like with GPT-5. So this is a Salesforce case and a new commercial loan application just came in. Apex Manufacturing LLC out of Austin, Texas is requesting $750,000 loan, and the loan purpose is equipment expansion, CNC machinery acquisition. There are a few documents attached to this. They have given some numbers for their financial summary. Before this loan can move to underwriting, someone needs to review every single one of these documents that is attached to this case. They need to cross-reference the numbers that they have put in the application, check for expired documents, flag missing items, write up summary, and that will typically take about 45 minutes to an hour or even more before the loan officer has even had their first meeting of the day. Now with GPT-5, let's see what happened. I'm going to navigate to the GPT-5 console. I'm going to take the loan application compliance check prompt, and I'm going to run GPT-5. Now with this click, GPT-5 reads the whole case, it processes the document package, and it will return a structured, complete review right here inside Salesforce. Here we have it. Let's walk through what we are looking at here. Up top, the header, Apex Manufacturing, case number, the loan amount. We saw that there were 9 documents attached to this particular case, and we see that there are 9 out of 10 documents present. We see 0 critical issues. We see 1 warning, and the status is ready for review. The loan officer knows in one glance where this particular application stands. Now on the left, when we go down, we have an applicant snapshot. Everything pulled directly from the source documents, legal names, DBAs, formation dates, ownership structure. Marcus Richmond, he has 65% ownership, and Jennifer has 35%. On the right, we have a loan request summary, loan amount requested, loan purpose, loan type, requested term, case number, submission date. Great. Let's move forward. Now we have the financial highlights, the key KPIs, the source documents, current period, full year of 2023, based on the statements for the year that they have submitted. Now we have the red flags and attention items. Now the 3 flags are raised. First, like business tax returns 2023 from 1065 present, 2022 returns are not submitted. So 2 years are required for the underwriting. So they need to submit the tax returns for the business for year 2022. And then there are expiring documents. The business license expires on this date within 30 days of the submission, must be renewed before closing. Income variance, large transactions from the bank account statements, what the business has conducted, note all transactions, consistent with aerospace, automotive manufacturing, no suspicious activity detected. All good till here. We have a document checklist. One document is missing, 1 warning. So the loan application was present. We saw that business tax returns were incomplete. Personal tax returns are there. Profit and loss statements are there. Business licenses are there. And now we have at the end recommended next steps for the rep. So they know exactly what to do next when they are here. And what just happened is more than just a small productivity gain. This is a fundamental shift in how commercial lending teams operate. The task would take around 45 to 60 minutes, even more, is done under 30 seconds consistently across every single application, and without fatigue, without any oversight gaps, without a document slipping through. For a team prospecting around 50 applications a month, you're recovering around 35 to 40 hours. You're catching license expirations, missing tax years before they even become underwriting bounce back. So you're getting every loan officer, regardless of experience, working at a level of your best reviewer. And because GPT-5 lives 100% inside Salesforce, there is no new system to learn, no data leaving your org, no integration project. It's connected to the case. It runs on a case, the account, the relationship, everything your team already works in. This is GPT-5, 100% Salesforce native, no data cloud, no Agentforce license, your models, your data, your Salesforce, and AI that actually works where your business runs. If you like this particular demo, do book a call with us to see your particular use cases in action. Thank you so much.